Have you ever wondered what's in a professional organiser's toolkit? Here we go. It looks a bit messy, but it's all stuff that I use a lot. Obviously glasses, because without them I can't see much. And drink bottle. Edited to add that I find elastic bands really useful, so I store them on my drink bottle for grouping things together, things that would otherwise scatter in a drawer, like pens, chopsticks, even sometimes grouping odd socks together. Case in point, in my caddy, my collection of pens is held together so they don't go everywhere. Isn't it cute? I love elastic bands. Scissors, masking tape, and permanent markers for making labels, which I do all the time. These are really good from Bunnings because they're fine. They don't get all fat like Sharpies tend to. Spare scissors, can never have too many. Post-it notes, good for just marking things out. Spare pens and spare Sharpie. And a notebook for making notes, planning things out, instructions for clients, room plans, that kind of thing. Knife for opening up boxes. Wipes for wiping up a shelf before I restock it. Spare bags that I love folding into sushi triangles. Sticky tape handy sometimes. Measuring tape for planning storage solutions, crucial to measure up the space. Tissues for dust and tears. Mask for dust mainly. And another mask. And wow, that's really dirty in there. I'm going to give it a wipe. These big clothing donation bags that I often find in homes and put them in my caddy. They're great for clothes. And lots of different sized Ziplocs, most of which I rescue from houses. People are throwing them away. I don't buy them very often, except these big ones I sometimes buy because they are super handy for even paperwork, that kind of thing. And the whole arrangement, I've made a mess now, goes into, and gloves. Gloves for working in sheds, dusty places, spidery places. The whole arrangement goes into this big grocer's box, free from the supermarket, alongside some donation bags, which I usually salvage from homes. People have so many of these. And a makeshift bin for rubbish and a makeshift bin for recycling, which again are just from the supermarket. And then there are other sort of overflow items that I keep in the car, such as like bubble wrap, packing tape, lots more bags and boxes, cleaning cloths, some cleaning products, some of those little shelf screw things that people often have lost. And yeah, I'll show you that next time.